Okay, so have the Model X S Plaid long range, standard range yoke here. So this is the real yoke. OEM, Tesla yoke. You can see the wear and tear, so you know it is from Tesla. And here we have the hand show. You can see much better quality in terms of the leather. We'll be switching out this hardware with the squirrel wheel and putting it in here. So this is a little tricky. After taking out the torque 25 screws, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you do need to apply a little heat with a heat gun to pry this out, starting from the edge here, down here, along the bottom here. So some of the older yoke have glue in it, so you do need a little heat around this side, on the top, and on the bottom, around the edges here. Make sure don't put too much heat or else you can melt the plastic. And also the rubber housing here. Again, this is the OEM Tesla yoke. You can see only has about 12,000 miles, 12,000 miles, sorry, wear and tear. So definitely don't get the yoke. Get the round steering wheel and then get the hardware. And then you can switch it out to this. Or you can get the yoke and still switch it out. It doesn't really matter, actually. So let's go ahead and take out these torque screw. Okay, so once you unscrew those T25, go ahead and lift these out. These are just the airbag clips. Just lift it straight out. And then take out this T25. And now using a pry tool like these, start prying the bottom. Apply some heat first before you start prying. And we'll go ahead and start doing that. And how you pry open is there's a latch or a clip on each side, left of the squirrel wheel, and then right of the squirrel wheel on the right side. Right, left. And you just pry that open. You focus on that. You see that 2 white clips there. So let me get a pencil so you can see it. So that one. So you want to put the pry tool in between this fake vegan leather and the white housing, and then it will pop right open. And you do the same for the bottom, and this whole thing will just come right up. And then this is how it looks. So this one actually didn't have glue on it, but some does have glue. So fortunately, this does not have glue, so it won't mess up this install, because the glue does make it a lot more difficult. But yeah, just pry in here, clamp it up, lift both sides, and then just like you lifting up a frunk, and it pop open just like that. So now you can switch it quickly over to this. Very easy, especially when Tesla don't put the glue. Don't recommend the Tesla yoke, because this is what will happen after just a few thousand miles. So I know they said they improved the quality of it, apparently, so I'm not sure about the latest yoke. Go ahead and get the aftermarket one. Discount link in the description. This is much better quality. You also have carbon fiber accent. It's a lot bolster. It has it's more bolster, so it feels more natural for those with larger hands like myself. This one is a little bit more narrow, and the wear and tear is just not worth it. Definitely not worth that extra $1,000. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Catch you on next time. Here is with it install on the hand show yoke. Carbon fiber accent on the side, And I like how this yoke is because it's fully smooth all the way around. Unlike the Tesla OEM, you have this indentation where it folds in. It actually is kind of ugly from the back. You see the difference? Definitely slimmer, not as bolster. And this is where it collects dust, debris, wear and tear, versus the handshell version. You can see it's more rounded stitching. You can see the stitch. There's no stitch. It's reverse stitch, or whatever they want to call this. But the stitching definitely is a nicer touch on the handshell version. How cool is that? All the harnesses, everything is using the OEM, so very easy to swap, assuming there's no glue in your version. But yeah, link in the description if you're interested in this product. And one last takeaway is that you see how this is black, matte black. Handshell also sell this cap, carbon fiber cap, to match the plaid carbon fiber interior. Or if you don't have the carbon fiber interior, you can get the cap for the interior as well, and it matches this in a matte finish. So it's just held on by adhesive, very easy to install. Then just place the airbag over. That is it. Thanks for watching. Catch you all next time. Remember to subscribe.